Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to refund items on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom side of your screen and go to My Orders section right here. Now we want to find an order for which you want to get your refund and tap on it to open its details. So now it should look like this. This is order details page. So now what you want to do is open a dispute. So find this button and press it, and this will redirect you to open dispute page. Now you should fill in this form, and the first thing is that you should select one option out of two, which one you want. The first option is refund only. So select this one if you want to keep your item and partially get your money back, and the second option, refund and return item, if you want to send your item back and get full refund. Then select a dispute reason, simply tap this arrow and this will show you list of reasons, and simply pick just one reason. Then enter refund amount. What I mean by that is that you should enter full amount of the item if it didn't arrive at all, or you can enter partial refund amount if your item arrived but it's damaged, broken, wrong, etc. Next, you should specify why you're requesting your refund in this box. So write a few sentences where you describe your problem, and in the very end you should upload some evidence right here. So tap here and upload pictures, videos, screenshots, whatever that will support your request, prove your request. And do not forget to save it by pressing this submit button. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.